If you have restored an iPad or iPhone with MDM lock, you'll need to provide the remote manager login credentials, or you will be stuck on the MDM activation page and be unable to do anything with your iPad or iPhone. No worries! In this video, we'll bring you 2 hassle-free ways to bypass MDM on your iPad or iPhone. Let's dive in. First of all, let's learn about the meaning of MDM lock on iPhone or iPad. iPhone Remote Management Lock is a feature of Apple devices. It allows specific administrators, such as IT administrators in enterprises or schools, to remotely control iPhones or iPads. Once a device is restricted by the remote management lock, the administrator can remotely lock or unlock your iPhone or iPad, and also manage Wi-Fi settings, passwords, email accounts, applications, and other functions of iOS devices. If you want to remove this restriction, and you know the administrator account and password, you can solve it by yourself in the system settings. However, if you don't have the account password, you can only try to bypass the remote management lock with the help of third-party tools. Now that we know the meaning of the MDM lock, let's take a look at how to bypass the MDM lock. Method 1. Bypass MDM lock via jailbreaking. Go to your browser and search jailbreak tools to get some answers. Select and download a jailbreak tool as you need, like Wikipedia Checkmate, iRemove, etc. But jailbreak may let you take the risk of losing Apple security, so please think twice before jailbreaking your iOS devices. If you want to bypass the MDM lock on an iPad or iPhone without jailbreak, please check the second method. Method 2. Bypass MDM lock using AnyUnlock. Here we'll use a one-stop iPhone unlocker, AnyUnlock. It can bypass the MDM on an iPad or iPhone without a password or username in simple steps. Compared with other MDM removal tools, AnyUnlock is the most trustworthy one, and no jailbreak is required. Besides, AnyUnlock also supports unlocking the screen lock, Apple ID, iCloud activation lock, and SIM lock. Next, we will take you step by step to remove the mobile device management. Step 1. Download the latest AnyUnlock from the official website for free and run it. Step 2. In the pop-up window, select Bypass Mobile Device Management. Step 3. Here you can see there are 2 modes to choose from. Then we click the Bypass MDM button. Step 4. Connect the device to the computer with a USB cable and click the Bypass Now button. Step 5. Please make sure your iOS device is on the remote management screen. Then click on the Already Done button. Step 6. After a few minutes, you will see the successfully bypassed page. Then you will find that the MDM lock has been bypassed on your device. Above is all the content of the video. Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2025. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.